Hi and welcome to another video using Sonic Pi, but as you'll see if you look at myself on the screen, I'm also going to incorporate my violin in this. And the reason is that I've just managed to acquire a pickup here which can pick up the sound from the violin, feed it through my audio capture device into Sonic Pi, and this is going to be an example of using live audio and how we can get Sonic Pi to play along with me as I play some of Frere Jaques in here. I'm going to use Frere Jaques, and the program is going to work like this. I'm going to set the tempo here, 128 beats per minute. We'll sleep there for one. That's just to give me time to get my violin under my chin, ready to play. It's then going to play me 4 beeps here, which are going to help me get the tempo in my mind. And then we're going to start recording the 4 lines of Sonic Pi, and the 4 lines of Frere Jaques. The way we're going to do is this. They're each going to be recorded into a separate buffer. The first one into buffer V0, second one to V1, third one V2, and the fourth one V3. And they're going to be governed by the tick value here as we go around this loop here 4 times. And so the first time we're going to turn on live audio coming from my violin into input 2 with a little compression set just to make it a bit beefier, the signal. And it's going to set the recording buffer here for 4 beats. And the first time B is going to have the value V0, so that's where the first sample will go. I'm going to play the first few notes of Frere Jaques, da 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 da, and that will be recorded into this buffer. And then I'm going to switch off the audio input from the violin, and Sonic Pi is immediately going to play that buffer back again. So it will play the second part of that line, da 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 da, again. Then we go round this loop once more, and this time we're going to record into the second buffer, and I'm going to play da da da, and then Sonic Pi will play it back, da da da. Same for the third line, da 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 da, which is repeated by Sonic Pi, and finally the last line, da da da, which Sonic Pi will repeat. Now, having done that, we've got 4 samples recorded in V1, V0, V1, V2 and V3. We now move on to the second part of the program where Sonic Pi is going to play the whole thing. I've finished with my violin, Sonic Pi can do the rest, and it's going to play a 4-part round. And it does that by playing the tune 4 times in threads. And that allows us to start playing the tune, and once the first line is finished we can start playing it again, and then once that first line is finished, again and again. And so that we can hear the difference, we're going to change the pan position of each of the parts as it comes in by changing the value of P here from -0.9, -0.3, +0.3, +0.9, governed by this tick, this named tick, tick PP, as we go around this loop here. And so the first time we get into this inner thread, which is going to play each of the sample buffers V0, V1, V2 and V3, one after the other, but it's going to play each one twice, because this time Sonic Pi is going to play both times through the line. Whereas before I played on the violin da 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 da, and then Sonic Pi played it back. This time, because we've recorded it, it's going to play both that twice. And then it's going to start bringing in the second line, then the third line and the fourth line. Now the time taken to play the first line twice is 4 beats plus 4 beats. And so after a pause of 8 beats, we're going to go back round the outer loop here, and it's going to change the value of P to -0.3, and it'll start the thread off again, playing the whole Sonic Pi tune in a slightly different position in the stereo spectrum. And then it'll do it a third time and a fourth time. And so hopefully we'll end up with a round of Sonic Pi played. So let's see whether it works in practice. I'll come up here, start the program playing, and get ready to play myself. So there you have it, 4-part round of Frere Jaques played by Sonic Pi with a little help from my violin. Thank you for watching.